Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm really excited about today's video. It is one that I have been meaning to film forever, but we're going to do a first impression of the new Kiss Lash Glue Liner. So I didn't even know this was a thing. I stumbled across a girl using it on Instagram and I was blown away at how easy this looked. So I immediately hopped online and ordered it. So if you watched my last video, I actually went over magnetic lashes and how to apply them by Worthy the Label. And I'll be honest with you guys, I don't wear regular strip lashes because I hate the glue. I hate it. It irritates my eyes. It's a whole messy situation. You have to wait for it to get tacky. It's just a whole situation that I'm not interested in. So that is why I wear the magnetic lashes. So I have high hopes for this because if this truly works, I'm going to go grab up some Worthy the Label adhesive lashes to use with this. And I'm really excited. So please, please, please let it work. If you want to check out that video, I do have it linked, but we're just going to get started. So this is the Kiss Lash Glue Liner, and it looks like they have clear and black, because they reference the clear in the directions, but I picked up the black liner. And it says it's a lash glue and eyeliner all in one. It's a matte finish, foolproof, easy touch-up. So how to use, it just says apply to clean, dry eyelids free of moisture or makeup. Now I'm not quite sure how that's going to work because obviously most of the time you've got makeup on your lids, so we'll see. It just says starting with one eye, apply glue liner along your natural lash line just like regular eyeliner. Now this is confusing because it says when using the clear liner, apply your regular eyeliner over this product, not under it. That seems like it would be the opposite, so that's weird. Then it says before the liner has a chance to dry on your eyelid, immediately apply your false lash strip band along the glue liner. And it says for a tip, store the glue liner vertically, cap side down to prevent drying out. As needed, clean the felt tip with a lint-free cloth. Glue liner is formulated to last all day, but oily skin might require application. So here we go. I have not opened this. True first impression. Get it out of the box. And I'm just going to be using just some falsies by the brand Pure. Okay, so this is it. It just looks like a felt tip eyeliner. It doesn't say shake it, but I'm going to give it a shake. I always feel like you need to shake everything. Right? Okay. Alright, so let's see. Okay, yep, looks just like a felt tip eyeliner. Alright, so here we go. Let me go and pop my lashes out so I'm ready to go. Alright, I'm nervous but excited. Okay, you guys. I'll try to get y'all as close as I can. I've got my little mirror right here. Alright, I'm just going to do my eyeliner. Now, usually I'm used to doing my eyeliner with out my lashes, so okay, so it does truly feel just like a liner. Okay, so I did learn with using the magnetic lashes to make sure you've got a thick enough strip. Okay, it says don't let it dry, go ahead and apply it. So here we go. Oh, something's wrong with my lash. Hold on, guys. I gotta cut a piece off. Ah! Oh no. Okay, I just had to trim it really quick. Okay, here we go. Oh my word, y'all. I can feel it, like when you stick it down, you can feel it kind of like grip on. Y'all, no way. It's on there. Like, it's on there. Y'all, this changes the lash game. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go and do the other eye. This cannot be... I'm shocked. Okay. Let's see. It's really hard to do this in the mirror. With mascara on. Okay. And you can feel it's kind of wet. I'll trim this little lash real quick too. Okay. They have lash applicators. I just like to use my fingers. Find it easier. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm not believing this. This is insane. How is this possible? I'm just going to sandwich my lashes. I kind of like to pinch. Alright. Well, there you have it. They are on. They feel secure. That was the easiest thing ever. I mean, this literally feels like you're just doing your felt tip liner and that's it. And then you just pop your lashes on. Y'all. Okay, well, worthy the label. Watch out, because I'm coming to stock up on adhesive lashes. You guys. Okay, 10 out of 10, thumbs up. Definitely go grab you some of this. Again, it's the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. I think I might even try some clear too, just to see. So go stock up on this and some lashes. The link's down below. Alright guys, bye.